In Figma you can find community option here. Search Fig 3D. Click on this Fig 3D. Click on Try it out. Run this plugin. Move aside this tab for a while. Select any object which you want to convert into 3D. In this tutorial we are going to convert flat circle into 3D. Click on Convert Selection to 3D. Here we got complete 3D object. Now you can play with settings for perfect output. Click on Insert in Figma. Here we got complete 3D object. Second plugin is blobs. Play with these two options to create random blob. Click on Insert. You can change its color after inserting it. Third plugin is Story Set by FreePic. With help of this plugin you can add suitable illustrations for your project. We can able to change its color after adding it, in Figma. Fourth plugin is Vectorize Bitmap for tracing images. You can select how many colors you wanted in vector image. Here we got new layer with separated objects. We can change a color of each object. Fifth plugins is Clay Mockups 3D for creating mockups. You can select different angle of mockup. You can also select different devices. You can also change its view angle by rotating device. Here we got a final mockup.